So I'm here with Edward from the Central Karoo District Municipality. The Karoo is one of those prize treasures of South Africa. But let's find out what the local government has been up to. Edward, how are you?
Thank you very much.
Great.
Thank you very much. I'm Edward Njadu.
Njadu, nice to meet you.
Yeah,
So how have you been enjoying the conference so far?
Very well.
That's
Very well.
great.
I think it's a very interesting conference. There's a lot of information at the conference.
That's great.
Yes.
So since 1994, South Africa has come a long way.
Yes.
What has the district municipality in the Karoo done since then?
Yeah, the Central Karoo District Municipality consists of 4 municipalities, which is between all provinces. It's a junction between all provinces. The municipality, in terms of lack of skills, we have established the skills development program, whereby 850 learners, the program is currently in operation, which is 8 learnerships and 4 short skills. And also we are looking forward in terms of a project called RAMS, which will be building all the streets of the Central Karoo district, which the district municipalities was not involved previously in building of streets, but the district will be coming involved. We are also busy with the Agri-Parks, which is a very huge project from the Department of Rural Development. Also that we recently have a conference in partnership with SALGA, whereby we've brought together 4 provinces, Free State, Eastern Cape, Northern Cape and the Western Cape, a small town regeneration conference looking in terms of the future of small towns and how to develop small towns in South Africa. We believing that small towns are carrying or participating in the broader growth of our country. Therefore, we believe that small towns is playing a big role in terms of the economy in South Africa.
That's fantastic. So the district municipality in Central Karoo is clearly at work, and we wish you all the best in the upcoming local elections, and to continue the great work.
Thank you very much.